Good morning, children, and welcome to the computer class. So, children, what were we doing in the last class? Yes, we were doing lesson number 2 and we finished lesson number 1 and both lesson number 2 also. And children, remember both these two lessons you will need in your PT1 examination. So children, since we finished our lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 and also we finished our exercises, the question answers and everything. So children, let's do a recap of lesson number 1. Okay children? So children, all of you listen to my video carefully and all of you take out your textbook, okay, and turn to the first chapter which is let us start with machines. And I'll just do a quick recap of some important concepts of the lesson. Okay children? So our first chapter is let us start with machines. If you got it, well and good. Okay, if you didn't get, please take out your textbook and all of you take out this page number. Okay, so shall we start the lesson? Okay children, so here you can see, as we proceed with the lesson, here you can see in your textbook, if you see in your textbook, you will see two groups of people. One group of people is also working and the other group of people is also working. Okay children, there are two groups of people and both these people are very busy, but the first set of people are working with their hand and the second set of people are using machines for their different works. So children, as I told you earlier, who will finish their work sooner and who will do a better job? It is children, these people. Okay, these people, they will do work, they will finish their work sooner and will do a better job. Okay children, so let's move to the next topic. Now we'll study about some machines which we use in our daily life. And what are the various machines we use in our daily life, children? They are, you can see, we use a fridge to store our food. Yes children, we use a fridge to store our food. Then we watch many programs, cartoons and games on a TV. Then we use a washing machine to wash our clothes. We use a mixer grinder to mix and grind. And what are all these? These are different types of machines which makes our work easier. Okay children, and also we finish our work in less time. Then children, we come to the next, and you can see here children, in your book a picture is given and these are also different types of machines. Like we have a nail cutter, children, here we have a nail cutter, a zip, a seesaw, it is also a machine. Okay, a seesaw is also a machine, and a scissor. These are all small machines. Okay, then next children, we come to natural things. Okay children, we come to the next topic which is called as natural things. Okay, now what are natural things? Here it's given things that are not made by man are called natural things, like the sun, birds and trees. So children, things which are not made by man, okay, those things are called as natural things, like the sun, birds, trees, plants, flowers, animals, then children, the clouds, the stars. So many different things are there which are not made by man and they are called as natural things. Okay children, so now let's proceed. So here a picture of natural things are there, and can you children tell me what are the natural things which are shown? A tree is shown. Okay children, just a minute children, a tree is shown, it's a natural thing. A sun is a natural thing, the sky is a natural thing, grass is a natural thing. Okay children, flowers are natural things. So children, here you can see a picture of natural things. Okay, here you will not find anything which is made by man, but all things which are shown in this picture are natural things. Okay, they are not made by man. Then children, we come to the picture. In your book also you can see a picture. And children, can you tell me which is a natural thing? Yes, a dog is a natural thing, a bird is a natural thing, A rainbow is a natural thing. Okay children, all these three pictures are natural thing. And which one is not made by man? Which is made by man? This. Okay, this is not a natural thing, it is made by man. A lampshade and a balloons. Okay children, these are made by men. Then a dog, a bird and a rainbow are not made by men, they are natural things. Now children, we come to the features of machines. What are the specialties of a machine? Okay, what are the specialties? Firstly, a machine is a man-made thing. Okay children, we all know a machine is a man-made thing. It's not natural thing. We don't get it in nature. It's a man-made thing. It is used to do special work. All machines are used to do special work. Like a fridge is used to store food. Now a fridge cannot be used to grind our food. A mixie is used to grind food. A mixer grinder cannot be used to store food. Okay, so all machines do special works. Then it works very fast. Machines work very fast. And number 3, it also makes our work easy. And also children, machines make our work easy. Okay, so children, now we'll study types of machines. How many types of machines are there? In your book children, you'll find that there are 2 types of machines. And what are those? Manual machine and automatic machine. And what are manual machines? Manual machines are those machines which are run by men. Like here example is given: sewing machine, bicycle, rickshaw, then a hammer. All these machines, a man has to hold them or uses their legs to, then only the machine will work. If only the man uses their hands and uses their legs on it, then only the machine will work, otherwise the machine won't work. So these are called manual machines. And what are automatic machines children? Automatic machines are these children, these. Okay, the picture of these is shown: microwave oven, AC, ceiling fan, toaster. A man does not need to work on it, okay, in order to get the work from the machine. If he just put a switch on, if he just on the switch, the machine will work automatically. Okay, so these are automatic machines. Like microwave oven, AC, ceiling fan, they need electricity to run. Then children, we have machines which are run on which need diesel, petrol or CNG. Like children, here we can see a car, bus, scooter. These are automatic machines. Okay, a man has to put the key and on it, and after that the machine works itself. Okay, but for sewing machine, for a bicycle, for a rickshaw, a man has to continuously work on it, then only the machine will work. So children, here let me see, there are, you'll have to circle the objects that are machines. So what are the objects? Yes, this is a machine, this is a machine, this is a machine. Okay children, this is a machine. Then children, a sharpener is a machine, an umbrella is also a machine. All these are machines. Okay children, now children, let's proceed to our next topic, and which is, let us meet the magic machine. So children, what is a magic machine? Yes, now we'll know about what is a magic machine. As you all know, as you have studied earlier, you all must have known what is a magic machine. Yes, a magic machine is the computer. And why it's called a magic machine? Because a computer helps us to do many things. That's why it's called a magic machine. Magic machine, because the computer is a machine and it can help us to do many things. And what are the various things it helps us to do? We'll see. Draw a picture, or we can draw a picture on a computer, listen to music, play games on a computer, and many more things we can do on a computer. And that's why a computer is known as magic machine. And in the later chapter, you'll come to know what are the various things that a computer can do. Okay children, so children, I hope it's the recap of this lesson has made you more easy with the concept of these machines, and children, you are more likely to remember the various concepts, and it has already made you very fresh with the various concepts. So children, I hope you won't forget. Okay children, so meet you in the next class and we'll do a recap of the next lesson. So children, till then, have a good day and also take good care of yourself. Okay, bye bye.